Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll learn how to insert reference points. I'm going to pick up where we left off in our previous lesson. Let's begin by activating the point tool. It's located under Reference Geometry. The first option for creating a point is Arc Center. Let's select this edge, and here is our first point at the center of this arc. OK? By the way, another way to access the point tool is via Insert, Reference Geometry, and Point. The next method of point creation is Center of Face. We just select the face in the graphic area, and here is our new point. Let's activate the tool again. The third method is Intersection. We select an edge and a second edge, and here is our point at the intersection of these two edges. In order for this method to work, the lines have to be on the same plane. Let's accept. Activate the tool again. The next option is Projection. Here I'm going to select this vertex and this face. And here is our point. Accept. Activate the tool again. The last method is Along a Curve. I'm going to select this curve. Number of instances, let's say 4. We've got 3 sub-options here: distance, percentage, and evenly distribute. And we just adjust the values for distance or percentage in this input box. We can also evenly distribute. OK? And this concludes our lesson about creating reference points.